EJ. EJ. Play with your toy. Oh my god, this dog's crazy. Oh, are you okay? Oh, poor baby. Be careful.
What are you doing?
He hit his head on the door.
How do you do that?
He's playing with his toy. He's so silly. Oh, there he is. Oh, shit.
Take pictures?
Yeah, I've been taking pictures. Oh my god, he's so cute. Okay, I want that. Give it to me. Hey.
Want me to put the pizza in the refrigerator?
Yeah, sure.
There's strawberries here.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
That I bought.
Yeah, I'll eat them.
You know,
Arrgh.
but then they go bad.
I know.
That, think this stuff's cheap? What happened to your plum? You never ate it?
I ate my plum. What the hell are you talking about?
What?
I ate my plum.
You didn't like it?
I ate it. Oh my god, look at him. This dog's nuts. EJ. Oh, look at you.
Did he like the bath though?
No, not really.
No.
He's trying to bite me. He's trying to bite me. This is funny. Oh shit. Look. There.
Hey, what happened? Here's his thing.
There you go. Oh.
Where's his bone?
It's here.
Throw it. And then go take a picture.
Woo. Get away from my crotch.
Anything else that needs to go in your
Oh shit. This dog is wild. Hey! Hey! That was not nice.